to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Malina, and today I'm so excited to announce that we are launching a brand new collection, and it's our press-on nails. Okay, I'm in love with these press-on nails. They just give me baddie vibes. I love them so much. They're very long, so they're like coffin style, but I will show you guys all of the new press-on nails that we have, and there's plenty of them, and there's also different styles, so you'll definitely find one that you will love. And before we start, I did want to mention that this hair clip here is also one of our hair clips. It is, I think, almost out of stock, so definitely get it if you want it. So I'm so excited to show you guys our press-on nail collections. The first two that I want to start with is they're the same style. They're long coffins, and the first one that we have here is Iris. And then here is Lupin. So they are both the same styles, and I will show you guys a close-up. This is how Lupin looks like, and then this is how Iris looks like. So Iris is actually the one that I'm wearing right now. So you guys can probably see like a little close-up there. This is how Iris is looking like. I feel like this is probably easier to show you guys. So Iris is so freaking pretty, and it just gives me baddie vibes. So if you guys notice that the two names are actually flower names, and each of our nails is based on flower names, it was a little bit challenging to figure out what names match best with the nails, but I finally did it, and that's all set. So these are the two first press-on nails that I wanted to show you guys. They're really cute, and I'll also pop up pictures so that way you guys can see a clear image of them as well. So the next press-on nail that I want to show you guys is Azalea. So Azalea is actually a very beautiful pink tone nail, and it also has pink and white stripes here. She's gorgeous, and she is also oval. These are more very relaxed oval shapes. It's also medium, so it doesn't get in the way. It's easy for you to wear, and the colors are absolutely stunning. It just looks perfect on your finger. The next press-on nail is Peony. It's a beautiful pink tone nail, and it is almond shape. Almond shape is really pretty. I did a TikTok on this nail, and it's gorgeous. I love it. If you take a closer look, it's a pink tone background, and it has white little swirls going across from it. I'll show it a little bit closer. This is how Peony is looking like, and Peony is just a gorgeous set that you need to have. If you're on the go, you want to put on some press-on nails, these are perfect for you. They match with any outfit, honestly. They kind of just bring the whole look together. Up next are my favorite kind of nails. They are very chic looking, and these are Calla and Magnolia. I'll show you guys a close-up on both of them. Here's Calla, and then here's Magnolia. So let's start off with Magnolia. So Magnolia is this one right here. I'll show you guys a close-up. This is how Magnolia is looking like. So the type of nails that Magnolia is Stiletto. So this one here is just a solid white color, and I think it's gorgeous. It's very contrasting to anything you wear. The white nail is definitely going to stick out. The other one we have here is Calla. Okay, Calla is actually the name of the flower, Calla Lily. So I just shortened it and just put it as Calla as the name, and I think it's a very, very beautiful set of nails to have. So this is Stiletto, and this is actually the first press-on nail that I tried out when I first did an order. So what I did was do a sample order. If you guys haven't seen the video behind the scenes of ordering these press-on nails, definitely check it out. You can kind of see like how my process was, and how long it took to get these nails, and how long it took to actually talk to the vendors, because the vendors that I spoke to, they were overseas, so it took quite a bit. I'll leave a card up so that way you guys can see it, and also leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested in seeing that. The next press-on nail we have is Flora. Flora actually has a bunch of beautiful flower designs on here, and a cute little yellow bow on one of the nails. So Flora is a medium length coffin, and here is a close-up of how Flora is looking like. Flora is actually really gorgeous. Flora definitely gives me cute vibes. Any like cute girls that want like a cute aesthetic, these nails are definitely for you. The background of these nails here, I would say they're like more of a nude color, more of a dark nude color, but it complements any skin tones. So these are the perfect nails if you're looking for a cute little pick-me-up, and you're like, you know what, I want something cute, something different and affordable. This is definitely the type of nail that you should go for. So the last style of press-on nails that I want to show you guys is our long coffin press-on nails. So the first one I'm going to show you guys are these two right here. They do have lots of flower patterns on them as well. So the first one that we have here is the Daisy one. So here's an up close look at it. So Daisy has a beautiful pink background, which is not sheer, so don't even worry if you have to put on like the sticky tape glue. You'll be fine, it won't be shown. And also it has beautiful daisies on it as well. So it has white petals and a yellow bud in the middle of it. So this is a very classic kind of looking nails, and I just think it's very cute, very like happy to see whenever I have them on my nails. So I've done a TikTok video on this, and if it's out, I'll definitely show you guys a clip of it. And then the next nail that we are going to talk about is Flora. Flora is so freaking pretty. Flora has beautiful white flowers on it, and it also has like leaves details on it as well. So here is a close-up of how Flora is looking like. Flora is actually really pretty. Honestly, these are perfect to put on less than 5 minutes. If you're on the go, you need something cute for like date night or just like going out and having some fun, but you want some fun nails, these are perfect for you. And the last two nails that I want to show you guys is a camellia and periwinkles. These two are very cute. They are also long coffin shapes, so these nails are gonna make you feel like you're a baddie or a cutie. So the first one we can talk about is periwinkles. Here's a close-up of how periwinkle looks like. So periwinkle actually has two sets of different tones for the nails. Periwinkle has a light blue tone, and it also has a holographic butterfly design on it. They're very cute. I love them so much. I didn't notice that they were holographic until I put them on. I didn't notice the butterflies were holographic. I thought they were just like more of a silver tone, but it's actually holographic, and they're so cute. You're gonna be feeling like an Instagram baddie no matter what nails you take. And here is how camellia is looking like. So camellia is a very simple nude nail background with a blue heart in the middle of the nails, and I think this is a perfect combination if you want something very cute, very chic, and just minimalistic. You don't want to go too crazy on your nails, you just want something simple, and camellia is definitely for you. And now I know you guys are probably wondering why press-on nails. Well, there's a lot of benefits of using press-on nails. Press-on nails can actually be done at the comfort of your own home. You don't have to drive out to go to a salon to get your nails done. You don't even have to wait, because sometimes there's a wait line if you don't schedule an appointment, or sometimes you schedule an appointment and then you still have to wait. So press-on nails, you could do them at the comfort of your own home, and what's really great, you save a bunch of money. I know a lot of girls will pay like $50 and up just to get their nails done and get some acrylics, but here's the thing, you can do that by yourself and you could save more money for it. Our press-on nails are very affordable and they look amazing. Take a look at Iris. I just love Iris so much. It's just perfect to wear, and here's the thing, you can choose whatever nails you want to have. You don't have to be committed to like one style. Also, press-on nails are very flexible and comfortable to wear. Application is so easy, takes less than 5 minutes, and removal is so simple. All you have to do is soak your hand in warm water, wait at least like 15 minutes, then you just slowly start to peel off the nail on the edges. And also, press-on nails can be used many times if taken care of properly. It's a win-win situation. You can wear them anytime you want, take them off anytime you want. Let's say you have a little gathering today and then you want to put in your press-on nails, but you can't wear press-on nails at your workplace because they don't allow it. You can just simply take them off when you get back home. It's easy as that, and I love press-on nails. I'm a huge fan of Iris. If you guys can't tell, Iris is just something else. Whenever I wear her, I just feel like badass with it. I also wanted to show you guys our free kit that we do have with the press-on nails. So here's what's gonna be in our free kit. So let me just open this up. I didn't really tape it down yet because I just wanted to see how it would look like as well. So the first thing that you'll get here is one of the nail files. If you want to file down any of the nails, you can definitely do that. Also, I wanted to mention that you can also cut down the press-on nails as well. So if these are a little bit too long for your liking, but you really do like the style of it, you can cut them to the length that you like. So up next is the cuticle pusher. This is very good to have on hand because it just pushes back your cuticle and it makes it easier for you to put on your press-on nails. Just push back any excess skin, you're ready to go. Up next here is the nail buffer. So what you're going to do is you're going to use this nail buffer to buff your nails, so that way it's easier for the nails to stay on. And then you'll also get the alcohol wipe to just wipe down your nails after you're done buffing and cutting off any excess cuticles. And then you also get one of these sticker glue tapes. These are my favorite. They're so easy to use and I love them so freaking much. And last but not least, you do get steps on how to prep your nails, apply your nails, and also remove your nails. Here's a little close-up. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if it's gonna focus or anything. I don't think it's gonna focus that well, but this is how you prep your nails, apply your nails, and remove your nails. If it's your first time using press-on nails, we've got all the steps down for you. You'll have no problems there. Alright, love, so those are all of our press-on nails for our press-on collection. So our press-on nail collection is going to be dropping on 2/3/2022. So February 3rd, 2022 at 12 p.m. Eastern time. And if you guys haven't signed up for our email list, definitely sign up. I'll leave it down below in the description. It's always going to be in the description, so definitely sign up so that way you guys know when our new arrivals are coming, any sneak peeks behind the scenes, anything like that. And if you guys enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, that way you never miss a video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!